Hey, what's going on YouTube? Garnett here. Today is Purge Day. What am I purging? Today, we're going to be purging my entire backlog of free products. Now, some of the things in here I've contributed myself. A lot of them haven't made it to the channel yet. So, we're going to go through all of these items. But at the end of this video, I'm going to be explaining how exactly you might be the lucky winner of this box, because we're going to be giving it away. Details on that at the end, but it's going to be a short, sweet video. We're going to go through everything in this box, and yeah, we're going to wrap it up like that. The giveaway is going to be for a channel called Mongo's Garage. And details on how to enter that will be later in the video. Now, these first two items are things that I purchased myself. These are my favorite style of mechanic inspection light. They are both rechargeable, and they are both from Coast, the A8R and the A9R. I don't even know if they still offer these, but these are my favorite. And these are the ones, I like these ones specifically because they're nice to put in your pocket. Every other pocket light I've tried is too heavy for me. I don't like my pocket feeling like it's weighing down. I'm not even the type to put their phone in their pocket because it's too much weight on my shirt. I don't like that. Of course, the deeper or the longer one will last longer than this shallower mini A8R. The A9R will last longer, but yeah, those two are going to be included in it. So the next group of products is actually from a partnership I did do on the channel, and those are from 3 different brands actually. First things first, these are screw remover pliers, a la the Pliers, but they are a made in Vietnam version. I have the orange pair of these. I think I did a review on the channel. I have the orange pair of these. I like these because they spring open. They have a smaller tooth pattern than the Engineer or Pliers, but still a great example of a screw remover plier. The second thing is the second most, I think this is like the second most expensive plier I've ever seen. But this is a fully chrome pair of lineman's pliers from Victor. It's I'm pretty sure this is a Fujiya brand. They just make them to a higher quality standard, but completely chromed. Even if you were to take the handles off, 2 component handles, you have a hole on the end of one of the grips to put a lanyard through if you want to. And I think these were somewhere way back in the day when I were looking at these. I think these were somewhere around $85. This thing in particular is a video I actually wanted to do on the channel, just never got around to doing it. What's unusual about this set here is that it comes with this weird little contraption here. So for the rest of the set, you got color-coded bald hex metric 10 all the way down to 1.5, but you also get the addition of this extra extender, which comes in a handy holder that clips it to the side of it so you can keep it all together. But what it allows you to do is, if you are in a specific instance where you have to use the long end of the Allen wrench or the hex wrench, you can take this, slip this over, blam, and that extends the leverage you can put on the opposite end. Even if you were in a situation where you needed this big 10 millimeter and you needed more leverage than the normal handle gives you, you can slip it over the end and blam, giving you a very long, what's that, almost 2 foot wrench right there. Now, really quickly, this one is of course the DCK random orbit sander that was featured in its own video on the channel. I went ahead and cleaned this up, boxed it back up, and prepared it for, to give to one of you fine guys out there on the channel. Yes, this was tested by me, but guess what? We're gonna go ahead and give it away since I'm not really in the need for something like this. The details, if this is what you guys have been waiting for, this is what I tell you what you're going to need to do to be entered in a giveaway for this stuff. And that's because Mongo is going to be the one that's giving this stuff away. This man has been long a mentor of mine. He was the trainer at the first forklift dealership or equipment dealership I ever worked at. Now I have the pleasure of working with him again and doing this here video. But this is going to be these stickers. There's various stickers found around the package. There's a ton more in the package. You're going to get a nice hat, ball cap, and what size is this? Large Mongo's Garage shirt, featuring on the back one of the various projects you can find on Mongo's channel. So you're going to want to go over there, subscribe over there for the giveaway. But other than that, this will be included in the package for sure, and we're going to get into the rest of the items. We have an Earthquake XT extra stubby. That's real. Look at that. That's small. That's shorter than this ratchet is, even though this is a like mini ratchet. There's a standard Pittsburgh 3/8 blam. That's really short, but I only used this thing like once. This was a brand new I had a video about, you know, these flex heads just always going wobbly and me not liking them. So this was one of my warranty replacements that I just decided to never use. Here is actually a very nice example of a Cornwell 1/4 inch and a 3/8 or a 3/8 and a 1/4 body from Cornwell, USA made tool there. This was purchased as new old stock from eBay. The package is opened, but I assure you it is new and has never seen anything inside here. Teeth all brand new, but it was purchased as an example for one of the videos I did for the Malco or Snap-on USA pliers, made out of the same factory. This is an add-on from Olight. This was one of the sponsored videos I made with they included this with the Baton 3 Pro, and I just didn't really cover it, but it's a nice little it features some Morse code on there. I don't know what it says. I didn't take the liberty of researching that at all. Let's see here. There's one brightness level, and then you screw it in more for the full brightness level. And these Olights get pretty bright. So the second to last item will be this C-Reader 319, a free code reader, basic Palm code reader that came included with my launch scan tool, as well as this 1/4 inch Nipros pry bar. Now, I know that sounds weird to you. I bought it because at the time Nipros only made the 1/4 inch ratchet in a certain length, but I figured that you could swap out the anvil here and put maybe the flex head ratchet body. No, that's not the case. This is designed specifically on the actual 1/4 inch ratchet. The opening here is quite a bit bigger. So this did not work for what I thought it would work for. So this is brand new. And yeah, that is a part of the giveaway as well. Let's pull it all together for a final shot here. Yeah. And as I said earlier in the video, you're going to have to go to Mongo's garage for the giveaway here, because it's all going to happen on his channel, not mine, not here. No giveaway here. All on Mongo's garage. So this is the final shot of what is all included. Not this stuff in the background. Let's see. Not that stuff. None of that. But this right here. Everything here. Now, there was one other product that I was given and expected to review. I almost forgot about this. But this is the Rollover by Hozo Design. You can look them up. They have a couple other things that they make long before that that funky tape measure with the automatic measuring that came out. There was this, so it's now what I think happened is the screen died on this thing, but this is essentially supposed to be tape measure. You hold this button and you see that light is lighting up, and you're supposed to roll it on something, and the outside perimeter of the tool actually moves to, measure, and the measurement would show up here on this display. As you can see the outer edges of it there. But I guess from years of sitting in the bar, a year or so of sitting in a box, it just does not work. And I don't know why. I tried changing the batteries a couple times. I have, couple examples of replaced batteries, but yeah, this thing, I think the screen is dead. Now, I will include this if you want it. Yeah, look at that. Light lights up, screen just not coming on. So I will include this. Just know that it is broken. If you want it, if you don't, I'll leave that up to Mongo, but we'll stuff it in there. But that's it. That's all I have for you. If you like, you can check out my support links, which are linked down below, along with the link to Mongo's channel. If you like this video, get subscribed, and consider leaving a comment. Would love it. If you don't worry about it. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Deuces.